Hello everyone, welcome to the reality of math. How can we solve this question in a very simple and easy way?
Solve x squared minus 5x plus 6. Solution. We are going to equate this our question to y. So it means I'm going to have y equals x squared minus 5x plus 6. Then I will have to draw this graph. But before I draw this graph, I will have to create a table because I'm looking for the two or the roots where the curve cuts at x-axis. So just assume we are going to have x and y table. So this is the x table and this is the y table. So we're going to have it at x when x is 0, when x is 1, when x is 2, so when x is 3, so when x is 4, and finally when x is 5. By writing this question y and when x is 0, so let's start. We have y equals when x is 0, so you have 0 square here minus 5 times 0 then plus 6. Then y gives us 0 square here is 0 minus 5 times 0 here is 0 then plus 6. It means that our y answer is 6. So when x is 0, y is 6. So this is how I'm going to fill all the boxes of y. So we go to the second one. Y equals when x is 1, so I have 1 square minus 5 brackets 1 plus 6. Then I have y equals, when you fill this one to y gives you 2, so I have 2 here. Then I will go to the third one. Y when x is 2, so this is 2 square minus 5 times 2 plus 6. Then y equals 0. So when you fill these two, it gives us 0. So we'll go to the third one when x is 3. So I have y equals 3 square minus 5 times 3 plus 6, and our answer gives us 0. So I'll go down and I'll put 0. So I'll go to the next one when x is 4. So I have y equals 4 square minus 5 times 4 plus 6, and my answer here is 2. So I'll go back and I'll fill it, put 2. Then I'll go to the final one when x is 5. So I have 5 square minus 5 plus 6. So when you use your calculator or you simplify further, we have y equals 6. So now I'll go back and I'll put 6. Now our next point is for us to draw the graph. Now I'm going to try to draw this graph in this place so that we can see it. So the graph. Now I hope you can see this. So first we are going to find our scale of graph, and I have to do 5 boxes for 1 centimeter to represent 1 axis. So my scale will be at x-axis. We have 1 centimeter rep 1 unit. So at y-axis we have 1 centimeter rep 1 unit. So in your own graph, it can be different centimeter, it can be different units, the way you want it. Now we're going to number our graph. Remember, this is the x-axis and up here is the y-axis. So at the x-axis we have our 1 here, followed by 2, followed by 3, followed by 4, followed by 5, followed by 6. Now at the y-axis we also have 1, followed by 2, followed by 3, followed by 4, followed by 5, and followed by 6. The table x and y, when x is 0, remember this is the 0 region for both x and y. So it says when x is 0, y is what? Is 6. So if this is the x region, if this is x region for x and is 0 and y is 6, so to be here. So I have here as that. Then I'll go to the second table. We have when x is 1, y is 2. So this is my x being 1 and my y is 2. So at this side here I have to trace it so where the both of them join. The reason why the dot is here is because this is where the both of them meet. Now the second one, the third one rather, we say when x is 2, y is 0. Now remember this is my x as 2 and y is 0. This is the region for y being 0. So we just have to just put it here. Now the next one, when x is 3, y is also 0. So the same thing with that one, we have it here. The next one, when x is 4, y is 2. Now when x is 4 to be here and y is 2 to be here. So this is where the both of them meet. Let me just draw it so that you can see. You can see how it goes. Then the fifth one, when x is 4, sorry, I've done that. When x is 5, y is 6. So x is 5 here, y is 6. So it's all the way up to this side, if I'm correct. So this is where, if you trace it, we can see that it's a straight line. Sorry, you can see that it's a straight line. And if I trace here too, I can see that it's a straight line. So this is where the both of them meet. Now the next thing is to now draw the graph. We're going to manage it. I think I tried, or what do you think? So but if you are drawing to your book, you can draw it very, very well and very, very good. So this is the graph of the equation y equals x squared minus 5x plus 6. And at this point, the graph cuts at x-axis at this point. So if you look at it here, where the graph cuts the x-axis is at these 2 points. We have it here and here. So with this, we can say that our final answers, which is x, is equals to 2 or x equals 3. So this is the final answer to this question. This is the final answer to this question. Where they cut at x-axis from the graph, you can see it. So with this, we are done with graphical method.
And that is the final answer. Make sure you like, follow us on every of our social handle, and if you want to learn a full topic on this tutorial, visit our YouTube channel. Thank you.